Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture. So this lecture is about how we can model the U-bolt support on any pipeline. So without wasting time, let's start. So go to the first we have to change the task. So I will go to the task, which task we have to select. So here is the hangers and support task is there. We have to select that. Then this is the 10-inch pipeline guys. So we will model the U-bolt of the 10-inch size. Okay. So we will place first logical at this point, and then on that logical we will give U-bolt support. So how we can do the logical? By using the point, place support by point. Okay. For that, click here and select the pipeline feature. So it will be highlighted in yellow color. Then we have to always this click on that. Okay. For design, it should be right mark, and we have to double click here on the accept button. First, second. Now what we have to do? We have to give the position for the logical. So I will give the position at the center point and give the click on the finish button. Okay. So here you find a logical place successfully. So uh, we can place the support here. Okay. Or you can place any support. So like I previously placed the shoe support. You can also visit my previous lecture. I already uploaded so many lectures regarding smartplant 3D modeling as well as admin part. So I uploaded the lectures regarding isometric extraction, GAD extraction. You can also visit that. Okay. So we will place here view bolt. So for that, what we have to do here, the place part is there. Click on that, and now we have to click the logical. Okay, on which the part will be placed. Then what we have to do, we have to select the U bolt. So I will show how where is the U bolt. So first of all, you will see this screen or this window. So we have to click on the plus, and here is the smart plan. We have to click this. We have to maximize that, and here you find the U bolt. Okay, click on the U bolt standard here. So here we will find the various type of U bolt according to pipe size. We have to select the U bolt which is the size of the pipe. So I already told this is a 10-inch pipe, so we have to select according to that. So I select this, as here mention is part in part receiver 10-inch U bolt standard. Okay, we have to select that and click on the OK button. Now here you find the U bolt is there. So we have to give the position now. First we lock by using the scroll button, and I click on that center point of the logical. Okay, so the U bolt place successfully. Now this position we have to rotate that as I have to model the C section below that pipeline on which the U bolt will be bolted. So first, how we can rotate that? There is the two option. The rotate option is there, or you can rotate by using the keyboard also. If you know there are the four button, okay, upside, left, down. So by using up button we can change the direction of the axis, and then we have to click on the right and left. Okay, according to that the size the U-bolt will be rotated successfully. Okay, now as we rotate that, and we will click on this button. So you find U-bolt place at the perfect position on this logical. You will see this is helicopter view also. Here you can find U-bolts place successfully. In this way guys, you can place any support like U-bolt, shoe support. Okay, we will the upcoming lecture I will cover all support type. You can comment me if you want any specific lecture, so I will give the priority to upload that. Okay, so I hope you like this lecture. You can also visit my previous lecture, and please subscribe guys, so I will upload the next lecture whatever you want. Please comment and subscribe. Thank you.